Hey girl, welcome back. And if you're new, welcome to my channel. I'm Nika G Shipp, and in today's video, as you can tell by the title, we are talking about the ever stressful, how the heck do you work out on a regular basis and keep your silk press popping? When I was looking up videos of how to maintain your silk press while working out, there's a good amount of videos, but it was so funny that pretty much every other video was like, oh, I do this and this and this, but I don't really sweat that much when I'm working out. So, and I just be like, girl, then why are we doing this video, girl? Because she be sweating. I need to know for the sweaty scalp gals like myself. So this is for y'all, this is for us. I have been working out all week and maintaining my silk press, which I'm really excited to share with you guys. So we're not gonna waste any more time. We're just gonna jump right in and let me share my tips, how I upkeep my hair. Well, clearly you can see right now. We're just gonna jump right in, but you know I can't let you jump right in without you hitting that like button, hitting that subscribe button, hitting that notification bell, because I haven't got a flow yet. Forgive me. So you need to know when I upload until I get a on-point schedule working on it. And then while you're at it, you might as well follow me on Instagram because it's popping over there too, girl. So let me give you a second. That way I can take a bite of my taco. Go for it. Okay, you got it? Back to the video. Okay, girl, so this is what we're looking like before we head to the gym. She's silky, she's pressed, but never pressed, child. But okay, so we're moving on. Let me show you how I put it up. So I make sure I part it down the middle, and I'm going to put it into high buns. And the reason for this is, like I said before, she'd be sweating. So I feel like having the two buns and having a part down the middle gives it a little bit of ventilation. So as opposed to just a single ponytail where it's just sweating in the root and the ponytail is just kind of enclosing the sweat, this is kind of helping air it out, if that makes any sense. So I wrap the hair tie around my hair 2 or 3 times, and then I loop my hair in like so, bam, and then I'm going to do it on the other side. So after that step, I get my sweatband. I got a pack of 3 of these on Amazon. I can link them down below. And I'm going to put the sweatband actually over my ears because I find it stays better if I have it over my ears instead of putting it behind my ears. And if you need a little extra enforcement, or if the headband's too big, you could always add a hair scrunchie to the back of the elastic. Then I don't stop there, girl. I got my little mesh Velcro wrap. I figured this would be okay for extra heavy duty stay, no slip, plus it's ventilated. So bam. Oops. Try again. So I'm already back from the gym. So really, I've just been letting my hair air dry in this position. So I went to the grocery store, made my breakfast, and it's just been drying ever since. But I also got you, if you are someone that don't really have that time to let it air dry, you got somewhere to be, you gotta be at work, I got you. Let's go to the other clip and let me show you, girl. Let's go.
So if you don't have time to just let it air dry in place, I got you, girl. So I'm taking the ponytails out and just letting the hair hang like so. And then I'm going to take my blow dryer and just kind of blow the cool air in the parts. Well, actually I'm letting more warmer air while I have the comb, because that's helping kind of keep the hairs in place and not revert so much. And then I go back with cool air. I blow it around my edges where the headband is, make sure that's nice and dry before I take that off. And then once I take it off and take the ponytails out, you know, your hair might be creased from the ponytails, no worries. We just go hit it with the blow dryer, blow the dry that right out. Bam, bam.
Okay, girl. So this is what we looking like. And she's still got body and bounce. Repeat, body and bounce. Edges, pretty decent. Of course, not fresh from the salon, because of course we are gonna sweat. But nothing a little edge control can't fix if you are a hardcore edge girl. I am not, so this is fine for me. This is like after a whole week of working out, like Monday through today is Saturday. Like, not bad, right? Not bad. That is all I have for you today. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this was helpful, because we don't need to be sweating out our press. Until next time, stay poppin', girl.